Hi folks, it's Dr. Jeff Camarda again with a piece called One Money View. At last it's here, or at least nearly. Our dear friends and clients, we're at long last rolling out our financial planning system we call One Money View. This is an extremely powerful tool that can accelerate your achievement of financial goals and point out the need for adjustments before correction becomes critical or impossible to achieve. On the other hand, loading our planning software is a lot of work for both you and for us. Not that we begrudge it, but it'll take a lot of time on both ends. So it's important to only focus on what matters to you, what can move your needle, what you care about. So it's time to start talking to you about which of the following areas you want us to analyze for you. So you may want to start thinking about how it can best move your the financial mountain with One Money View. So think about these areas, check them off in the newsletters that we sent out to you, make some notes, and let us know what they are so we can better formulate our 2019 work plan and get it done for you. So here are the areas. Think about these. Replay the video if you need to. Make some notes. Whatever helps you clarify and crystallize your thinking and your goals. Number 1, help with retirement projections and planning. Number 2, help with estate planning, wills and trusts, that kind of stuff. Number 3, help with estate strategy. Number 4, help with asset protection from financial predators. Number 5, you want advice on assets that are not held at Camarda, and where the markets are heading now, this is something you'd probably be wise to do. Number 6, help protecting your children's inheritance from divorce and other risks. Number 7, college funding for your children or grandchildren. Number 8, the ability to see all of your financial statements, bank and investment accounts, mortgages, 401ks, credit cards, the Camarda accounts, other investment accounts that you might have, annuities, all of that in one handy app. We call that One Money View. It's pretty cool, but if you already have everything that's on a handy screen for you, it may not be something that's worth loading. Next one is life, disability, sorry, I lost my enumeration. Life, disability, or long-term care insurance review, a needs and cost control analysis, Social Security claiming strategy, and again, college funding. So make some notes. I know it's a long list, and you probably don't want to do all of these. You may, but you probably don't. You may not care about most of them. It may not make a difference in your own life and goal plan. So let's not do it unless you really need it, because again, it's a lot of work on both ends. We're happy to do it, but you don't want to get burned out and frustrated and not get the stuff you really need. Make some notes, replay the video, think about what really would matter to you, and let's get down to work in 2019. Again, happy holiday season. Until next time, this is Dr. Jeff Camarda. Bye-bye.